Let's talk teeth. Everyone goes to the dentist when they get a cavity.
Open wide.
But some folks go to the dentist twice a year to prevent getting a cavity in the first place. Question: is that smart? Or is it a violation of the old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it? Let's say we're talking about parts instead of teeth, and engines instead of smiles. Then things can get a lot more complicated. In order to do a root canal on a cylinder head, you have to put the entire operation to sleep. The good news is, parts are a lot more predictable than teeth. We know exactly when they begin to wear. And if, contrary to the old saying, you fix them before they break, you not only reduce the risk of wear-out-related failures, you also ensure that your engine delivers maximum fuel economy. Now that's something to smile about. Especially since fuel usage can be as much as 90% of your engine's life cycle costs. And if you drill down further, you'll realize that replacing a component that hasn't failed yet is far better than the long-term risks of downtime and reduced fuel economy. That's why we recommend regularly scheduled preventive maintenance, everything from oil changes to scheduled overhauls. It's like turning back the clock, returning your engine to like-new condition with up to 99.5% uptime. With MTU, you get a superior engine up front, and you pay less over its lifetime with our preventive maintenance. When you look at it that way, it's enough to make you say,
Ah.